Michelle with Pink and Maine. Thanks so much for joining me this evening. This is the first day, December 1st, of our Advent Calendar series for 2025. And I'm going to start this evening by opening day number 1 with you. And each evening at about the same time, I will upload our video and we will open each day together. The Advent Calendar has 25 little gifts all wrapped up in there for you to open each day of the month leading up to Christmas, and the last one being Christmas Day. And we're going to start with the first. If you don't have an Advent Calendar, be sure to check out next year. We release them around July, and we do a pre-order for them, and we ship them normally in November so that you have plenty of time to get them for the December opening. They're always filled with such fun goodies. I usually do not do a holiday theme because I think if you're opening it December and you're going all the way up until Christmas, you don't really want holidays. You want something you can use throughout the year. So that's what I try to think about when I'm designing products for the Advent Calendar. I want to thank all of you that purchased the Advent Calendar this year. I hope you love what's inside. So without further ado, let's go down to the table and let's see what day 1 has in store for us. The first thing, when you take the tissue out of your Advent Calendar, you will notice that you have 2 coupons. So I wanted to give you something special in addition to the 25 little packages. You have a coupon that's good from December 1st to the December 31st, and one that's good January 1st to January 31st, so it even carries us into next year. So the first coupon will give free shipping throughout December on any of your orders. You just use the code each time you order. And there's a special code for Canadian or international customers to get reduced shipping. And then in January, you use the code on your orders, and you're going to get 15% off your orders that you place. So just a fun couple of little coupons for you. But let's get into this, what we've all been waiting to do. This is day number 1. And we are just going to rip her open. You can try to be careful if you like to reuse the bags. I always think too, you could use the paper from the bag on a card as a backing or something, or just a little piece of it. So day number 1, we have a package of card panels. And these card panels are really pretty. They kind of set the tone for the colors that are in the Advent Calendar this year. So let's go through and see what we've got. Some beautiful, beautiful plaids. Look at that. I am thinking spring already with these lovely colors. Oh, and there's a bunch in here. Look at this. So we have 12 card panels. These are A2 size card panels, so they're 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. You can cut them down and just use a portion of them if you like. But there is day number 1. 12 beautiful spring colored pastel card panels. Thank you so much for joining me for day 1 of opening up our Advent Calendar for 2025. I definitely hope you'll join me tomorrow, and we'll see what's in store for day number 2. Have a lovely evening, and we'll see you again later. Keep living the creative life.